come in and something come out. Okay. So this means this is a string. So earlier we say this is kind of special for column. If you say this means this is coming and this is come out, and do this operation here. So this is a string, and this is the operation is done. Here is string become uppercase. Okay, so now this var. So this is one way to do it. There's many ways to do it. Okay, this is similar. So this is a string. It just did not declare it. It just take all of it here. So it become uppercase. And this one, this is var. However, one var is assigned to an operation. Okay, this just think about this is an operation. The var is assigned into a something. It's assigned into it's like a function. Okay, the var is assigned to a function, basically have an input and output. Okay, and this one, the var takes input and give output, and the operation itself is it. It means eat. It means this thing here. Make it become uppercase. Okay. This one is my favorite because it's short, easy to understand. Okay. So you say something like this, bracket, eat. That means yourself. Do something on yourself. Okay. So this one is the same. This one is the input, output, and this type here on the string type do this operation. See, two columns. Two columns means do something. So let's run this thing and see how it look like. So all this have turned into hello, uppercase. Okay. And this looks like function, right?
Yeah.
But it's not a function, it's a var. Yeah. So there's no difference between here and you can create a function do this, you can create a var do this. I think the only advantage here is that you make this into a var. It's just much shorter. You really don't have to create a function, have to return many lines of code. Okay. So in here, if you want to turn this for especially here, let's look at this one here. Okay. Just one line, and it's going to achieve. If you can make this equivalent as a function, but if you want to make a function, you're going to have to create many lines of code for this. Make sense?
Yeah.
So in Kotlin, more and more people using a lot of var to do things because it's a short, easy to understand. Yeah. So once you wrap your head around it, so in the Kotlin language, the function, many of this kind of function means something come in and something get out. Okay. So in this case here, uppercase, whatever come in here is hello. This is input, and this is output we want to see. Okay. So this is the input, this is output. Then this is what do you need to do for input and output. Okay. So, well, we're going to revisit this, okay, again and again. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And extension, property. So this is a quite powerful way of the Kotlin or the modern language has. It's called extension.
Extension. Yeah.
Yeah, as Java has extension or not, I'm not sure. Okay. So we have a class. We have another class, data class, basically like database stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is the order. Order have a collection of items, right?
All right.
Basically, list a collection of item is what? Item is name and price,
Oh yeah.
right? So we have an order, have many items ordered here, right? Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's ignore this first. Let's ignore this first. Okay.
Okay.
See what this thing wants to do. This guy created a water. Water has a collection of bread price, wine price, water price. Basically, this is a order list, right?
Yeah.
So the order list, and then this guy wants to do maximum price item name. So here it called order. This is a var, right?
Okay.
And this is not an object. This is var. But you can call a function name on the var.
Okay.
Okay, so as you can probably see now, in the Kotlin, the var and class and object all intertwined, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So var, it could become object if you want it to be. Okay, so order is a var, and the var and have this function name. So let's see, what is this function name? So maximum price. So what it did here, you declare function here. Function order is this class. This class is gonna have this function and return is flow.
Okay.
See, then this means it's a order. That means go to this order and get all the items and find the maximum by now, which is the list. This is internal list function here. And maximum, eat means the items price. Okay, you get the price. So this is the function here. It is so, this is quite hard to understand. So I'm going to get the items price. I'm going to check question mark. No, it's not check. I think a question means that tune into something and get the price. Okay. Oh, yeah. So that means this function is going to return the maximum price, the maximum. Okay. Yeah, and these things get the price.
Okay.
If it has the price, then good. If it doesn't have the price, you're gonna get this.
0.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
0F.
0F.
Okay. Yeah, but some of items may not even have a price, so you're gonna get 0F. I believe that's it. Okay. Let's just run it and see. Okay, see this maximum priced item name. Maximum priced item name. Okay, I say this is check the price. It has a price. Okay, so yeah, I'm not even sure how to get the name from here. But however this gets the name. So let's look at the next one. So how to get the volume. So we know that the most expensive is wine, right?
Wine, yeah, right.
It's 29. So this okay. Maximum price item name, maximum price item value. Yeah, this one return value. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
this. Okay.
Okay.
So we need to get the maxima by value and check the price. Right? Get the
Okay.
price. If you find the price, then good. You get the price out. If you don't find the price, you get 0F. Huh? Okay, let's do the next one. Maximum price item name. Basically, is this one here.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Maximum price item name, what it does. This means is the order and get the items, and same you find the maxima of its price. This means find the maxima of its price.
Price, okay.
Okay, it's the same. Find the maxima based on its price. Find the maxima item based on its
No
price.
price, okay.
Then get the name. Right? And then
Right.
get the name. Then you get the name, it's great. You're gonna print out the name. If you don't have the items there, then say no product.
Okay.
Okay, it's the same like the other one. So you get the maximum item based on your price, then get the price. If you don't have the price, give 0F. So this is the same. Okay, the maximum value based on price. Get the name. If no name, give no product. If there's a one, then get it out. So this is a function that is declared, not inside the class, outside,
Outside, okay.
right?
Right.
That's why we call it extension. It's not,
Extensions.
you don't have the, yeah, extensions that you can declare extension any way you want. If we have a class, so I can extend the class, extend the function of the class.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's what we have on these two things. Okay, so let's set the next one. Item order common delimited item name. Okay, so that means that you're gonna list all the items and separate them by camera.
Come on, okay.
Okay. So what is it does? This is another kind of extension. This extension is extended as a function, right?
Okay.
And this one is extended as var.
Oh, okay.
Function var and var mix. Okay. Var means that I want have a var function like this one. Return a string.
Okay.
So where does this string come from? come from this get. Get the mark. We say the eat again. Eat means the mark, the item's name. Join to string. I think join to string is gonna make it like that. Okay. You get this name, join to string, and a var have a get function. Var have two type of functions, get and set.
Okay.
Get means to get something out. Okay. All right. Get means get something out. So as you can see, item, and you call this order, and this code is extended var. And then the var is gonna get something for you. It's gonna get this bread, wine, and water. The only, yeah, because you can see the var and the function, that there's set of difference with how you use it. If you use the function, you gotta use this. If you use a var, then this is a order, then become like a order itself have property here now.
Properties. Okay.
You don't need a bracket. It looks like this is the var of the order. Okay. So yeah, keep in mind that in the Kazan or other modern languages, including Swift, var, and the function are intertwined. Okay. Become very powerful. So that is a function. Okay, I know it's probably still very hard to understand, but once you do a few exercises, and you should be able to wrap your head around it. You should be able to get it clear. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So this is a function. So I think from here, function is the hardest. Collection now has become easier. Okay. Collection, list. Okay. They have list, mutable list. And I think you have same thing like in Java. Mutable means you can change it, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And this, and then you cannot.
This now, yeah.
So yeah. So mutable list, 1, 2, 3, and add system user to system user. You can add new ones so because it's mutable. Right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And get. So then you're gonna get all this. So you get a 1, 2, 3, basically. Add system user 4. You have 4 users now. Okay. Now get this for each system user and print out I. Let's see what it gets. So because it added 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So the size is 4 now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so then you get system superdular. Get system superdular. And then for each of those I, you print out the user info on the user I. Okay, this is the input I for each This is I. Then you're going to get the I. Okay. So then this is what does this thing do? This is going to do this. What is this? Super do is this. This basically is pointing to system user.
Okay.
So basically these things just go to system user and get a list from it.
Good list. Okay.
So that's it. Print out 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Okay. So this is pretty straightforward, right?
Yep.
Very easy.
Very easy.
Set, yeah. Set, yeah. Set means like as unordered. So basically, you have a set of these is not ordered. Okay, there's no order. It's unique. Every one of those are unique. So this is seminal. Yeah. So we don't need to go through this in details. Okay. Get new issues, mark as duplicate and rejected. Yeah. Okay. So this you can take a look at this, and this is pretty straightforward. It's gonna set the concept set is it's the same. It's 1, 2, 3. This is open issue. Add another open issue. Okay. Get a status log. If is at the boolean, then register correct. Else duplicate reject. So if you register correctly, print out this. Else print out that.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see what it does. A new issue strings unique description 4. A use already in there means unique description of 2 is already in there.
Already.
Right?
Right.
So this one is new, this is already in. Okay. Let's see what the function wanted to do. Print out this, a new issue is this one. And here is the function call. Okay. Get status log. Get status log. And then this is gonna add a new issue. Add a new issue. So this should be okay because this is new.
New. Oh,
right?
Okay. Yeah. Right.
So this one is gonna print out register correctly. See, register correctly.
Okay.
Yeah. The next one is already in. So we're gonna get a status log, add a issue, and a issue already in. So issue is already in, and this must be false. So it's gonna mark as duplicate and reject.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a set. So I have list and set. This is easy, right?
Yeah. Easy.
Okay.
Quite easy.
Mark. And there's a lot of it. Okay. And we're going to have to get back on this. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you can do is that you can just read through this yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we're going to regroup next week. We're going to go through this pretty quickly next week. Okay, this is a lot.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get on to scope functions and delegates. This one is very important. Delegate. Okay. Delegate is going to help you in many design issues. You can use this to resolve. Okay. Scope collection is basically collection is the tool you have to use.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So I think that's what we'll have today.
Okay.
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 Well, I hope you have a good week. Next week, have a good presentation. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Tell me
you.
about it. Okay. Yeah. Say hi to your mom, dad.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Oh, shit.
Di atas apa ini?
Marah sini nah. Masa sih kayak gini ya? Oh, babi memang Ian. Oh, kenal Ian. Atau Ian kenal dia ini. Oh,
Gambaran.
semua masuk. Aduh, rusak. Oh, tunggu.
Begini kah? Oh ya. Begini jalan.
Harga Pokemon di situ gimana nih? Dari tadi.
Ian kesusahan.
So itu leh.
Mana dia?
10 tuh aja.
Nali apa itu? Paling gue jadi ini.
Jadi itu ano. Jadi itu
Rusak.
ano. Aduh. Rusak.
Ini apa dong? Mamam.
Aduh.
Aduh. Halo Ian.
Jam berapa ya ulang?
Mamam.
Aduh, apa lagi?
Aduh, pemar.
Lagi.
Matamu sedih. Yan.
Meresahkan tuh itu.
Merusakan. Mahal nih kok. Ayo. Masih.
Masih. Bangke, anjir. Ulang. Oh, di mana kita ini, Cok?
Duh, di mana?